Hello there, my darlings. I'd like to share with you what's in the box at Jessie James Beads this month. For April 2024, we have Wildflowers. Now, this is a spectacular box. It's the 6th year anniversary of the Magical Mystery Bead box at Jessie James Beads, and it is stacked. And I've said this before, and I shall say it again, I can't believe how much there is in here. So why don't we just take a quick peek at what's inside the box? So let's start with one of the bead mix pots. What's in the box here? Oh my goodness, we've got layered flowers. We've got a really exquisite piece here, a little bit like a lily, I imagine. And you have all of these floral inspired colours inside the box. There's depths, there's shine, there's shimmer, there's metallics. That's a really substantial bead cap there. And all of those gorgeous flowery colours. That's just one. So here's a second bead pot. This one's called Prairie Flower. How lovely is that? And you've got almost autumnal tones with this one. Again, we have got these multi-layered metallics. I'm adoring this. Two tones. As I say, I think this is a slightly autumnal colourway. Check this out. Beautiful ceramic multi-tonal bead there, as well as your lucite flowers, crystals, different shapes and colours. So that's another one. I think this is a little bit summery, a little bit autumnal. And look what we've got here. Another bead pot. This one's a little bit springy. Now this one is called Tender Blooms. Now, I've already stolen a few pieces from this pot to make with on the Jessie James Beads Facebook page, so do go and check that out. And what you'll find in this one is some Lily of the Valley inspired pieces. Beautiful little floral additions there, greens and frosty silvers, along with those golden toned metallics and these beautiful deep caps as well in that, I imagine, lucite. So you've got three massive, huge, full bead pots. We've also got a wildflower locket. How absolutely stunning is that? I tried to make one of these with some resin a little while ago. Let's just say I'm not good at resin. That's absolute perfection. A beautiful strand here, flutter on by, flutter by butterfly. These are stunning. I don't know if they're copper with enamel, but what an absolutely beautiful strand. Easy earrings straight away there. Next up, I've got some butterfly wings, but these are cruelty free. How gorgeous are they? The sparkle and the little banding on them as well is really, really beautiful. Now in this little pochet, we've got seed beads aplenty. This is called Wildflowers. Let's see if I can get them out. There's so much in there. Oh my goodness, they just don't want to come out. Look at these colours. How about that? So I've got a creamy ivory, I've got lilac, I've got orange, I've got pale green and beautiful, a very, very feisty little pink there. So you've got seed beads to go as well. We've also got these adorable little enamelled songbirds. They team perfectly with your flutter on by strand as well. Now this is a vast bag. I'm not going to get it all out, but I'm going to flip it over and show you that you've got fabric. You've got lucite. Those 5-petaled lily style lucites are gorgeous. You've got big trumpets in there. You've got also some more metallics in multi-level design. Absolutely fantastic. Honestly, if that was everything, I'd be delighted, but it's not. The last bag in the box today is a collection of head pins. Now, these are no ordinary head pins. Look at the detail on these. They're a really good, strong wire. This one reminds me of Angelica, but I'm not a botanist, so I will get the names wrong. There's another one here that's a little bit like the centre of a sunflower. And I'm not entirely sure what this flower is, but you've got 3 types in there, and you've got a plethora of these head pins to work with. Now, these are absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to be making with these and some more pieces on the Jessie James Beads Facebook Live on Thursday. You can watch that on replay at any time. This is Wildflowers, the April 2024 for Magical Mystery Bead Box from Jessie James Beads.